right, everybody, Preston here with Spare Time. Today we came down to South Louisiana, Cameron, Louisiana, to Rockefeller Wildlife Area. We're gonna do some crabbing. Figured I'd take you along, show you how we do it. We're definitely not professionals, but it seems fun to do on the weekend. So we'll give you a little brief rundown of what we're doing, where we're at. We'll show you how we tie our strings up. Just let you know, all I do is hand fishing. We just have a string with some chicken on it and a net in the other hand. All right, as you can see, we literally just take a chicken thigh or leg quarter. As you can see, we take a chicken leg quarter, we tie the whole thing on, just tie it on around the bone to about a 20-foot piece of string. This is how we do it, y'all. I know it's a lot of wind over there, so you didn't hear anything I said, but that's all we do. We pull the crab up on the string, scoop them up with the net. We throw them in a bucket. Once we get half a bucket or so, then we'll go and put them on in the ice chest until we get our limit. All right, I'll show you some more as they come up, and it's just a pull up, catch, put in a bucket, throw back out and repeat. Yep, I'll take that every day. That's all there is to it. Wait for a crab to get on your string, pull it up, scoop it up with the net, throw it back out, and catch some more. We're at Rockefeller, so the limit here is 6 dozen per vehicle, so we're going for our 6 dozen and go home and eat tomorrow. But I'll show you that at a later time. All right, we're gonna go ahead and pour the crab in the ice chest. Figure I'll show you how we set it up. We just pour a little bit of ice on the bottom. Then we lay a wet towel over the ice so the crabs aren't sitting directly on ice. But make sure it is wet. You want to keep them nice and moist. Then we'll pour our few little crabs we've managed to catch so far in the ice chest. You gonna put the other one in there now? Yeah, figured. That is still good. One of the important things is make sure you pull your drain plug so that they're not sitting in water. Preston with Spare Time, here to make another video. Today we're going to be cooking crabs. We went yesterday and caught a whole bunch of blue crabs down in Cameron, Louisiana. So today we're going to cook them. I'm going to show you how to do it. or how we do it, we don't boil them like most Louisiana people. We steam them instead, but we do it with a little bit of a boiling twist. So I'll show you what we do, and we'll be having fun, and hopefully you'll enjoy the video. Get some ideas. All right, I wanted to show you part of our catch from yesterday. This is the second ice chest. Obviously the crabs are on the ice, sitting on a wet towel just like we had it yesterday. They are blue crabs, so nice medium size crab this time. It's still early in the season, so now I'm going to show you the other ice chest. This one is completely full. The crabs actually came on top of the towel, but I'll show you how we do it, and we'll go from there. All right, here's my little cook station, nothing fancy. A little steamer pot, Coleman stove, propane of course. We got the little ingredients we have here. All we do is put the liquid in, enough to cover the bottom. After all, we are steaming them. All it is, can of beer. Once I pour the beer in, fill it up with some apple cider vinegar, pour an equal amount in. Some Louisiana crab boil. Then we put in one of these crab boil in a bag. I do open the bag, I don't leave it in the bag, but it has some good flavor. Put in some crawfish boil. And of course you put a stick of butter, it helps out. And once you put the crabs in, I always put some Old Bay. So real simple recipe. You spice it up. I make them sometimes garlic, more garlic, less garlic, a little more heat, a little less heat. You just have to test them batch after batch. It only takes us about 20 minutes. So all we're gonna do is get this back going, and I'll show you when I put in the crabs. All right, we like to do ours in small batches. So there's about 10 crabs in the pot. That way we can do a small batch, eat them as the next one cooks. As you can see, it is steaming. Just simply take drop the crabs down in it. Pour a good dose of Old Bay. Put the lid on. And then we're gonna set a timer for 20 minutes. Set 20-minute timer. Like I said, it'd be 20 minutes, then we'll turn it off, let them sit for 5 minutes, pour them out and eat. We'll adjust the seasoning as needed, a little spicier, a little milder, a little more Old Bay, a little more whatever we need. So we just go from there. All right, I'll show you once we're pulling them out. All right, so the crab are done. We steamed them for 20 minutes, let them sit for 5. And all we have to do, echo, cancel. And all we have to do, tell it stop. Echo, cancel. There. Say it, Bishop.
That one's name is Echo.
All right, so now all we do, take them out. Pour them on the tray, put them on the table, go get some more, and repeat.
Hello, YouTubers. That was our crab catch and our crab steam. We really do enjoy steaming them. It seems to give us a little bit more time to just kind of enjoy eating the hot crabs when they come out of the pot. And we do normally have a few people that come over and eat them with us. So we do enjoy it that way. It gives you a little bit more relaxing feel to it. But boiling is better if you have a bunch of people hungry all at one time. So with that said, please like and subscribe. Hit us a comment if you do it a different way and give us some tips. We'd love to hear from y'all. All right, that's it from now. Bye now.